Brand new system pays us up to 151.25 for every member we refer. And here's the best part. We show you step by step with our live weekly workshops. Start your 7-day trial with the passive 10x method system today and access over 4,250 worth of value. Here's everything you're going to have access to inside the members area. We go live every Thursday to provide you with the very best techniques to increase your income. Value, $297 per week. We have put together a high converting done-for-you sales funnel for you to use. Value, $199.97 access to our private online members area where you can interact with other members. Value, $497 per month. We have a huge collection of promotional resources for you to use: ink, videos, images, etc. Value, $297. We have put together step-by-step tutorial videos to help you get started the quickest way possible. Value, $997. We provide full support 24/7. Any questions, big or small, simply message us or send an email. Value, $247. How does it all work? Step 1. Start your 7-day trial. Click any of the buttons you see on this page and get started with your 7-day trial for just $7. After the 7-day trial, it will be $47 per month. During your 7-day trial, you will discover the exact steps to make up to $151.25 for every person you refer to the passive 10x method system through your own unique referral link. Step 2. Access the private members area. You will have full access to our private members area. We have laid out all the steps for you to get set up within minutes of joining. We also have a full community chat group and dedicated support 24/7. Step 3. Join our live weekly workshops. You are never alone with the passive 10x method as we go live every Thursday to provide you with all the very best tips and tricks to help you generate more income online, drive mountains of traffic to your links, and how to properly brand yourself on social media for maximum results. Plus so much more. Step 4. Start earning. Following our proven system, we have been able to make up to $151.25 for every new active member we refer to the passive 10x method, and we are going to teach you step by step on how to do the same. Click the link in description to get access.